We're back with another I-15 update for projects ITD is designing between Fort Hall and Blackfoot. I'm Justin Smith, the Public Information Officer for District 5 of the Idaho Transportation Department. Thank you for joining this Spring 2026 update, where I'll provide updates on 3 projects. The first is the South Blackfoot Interchange at Exit 89. The second is the I-15 Exit 89 to Exit 93 widening project. And the third is the US 26 Blackfoot Interchange at Exit 93. Let's begin with the first project, the I-15 South Blackfoot Interchange at Exit 89 near Blackfoot. We are developing a new design to improve safety and mobility. After holding a public meeting in spring 2025, the project team is moving forward with a tight diamond design that also features an overpass across I-15. Several meeting attendees asked questions about how motorists will use the recommended interchange design. So today, we're going to show you how the new design works. Motorists looking to enter I-15 from US 91 will turn onto the ramps and travel toward the overpass. Motorists wanting to head northbound on I-15 will turn right onto the ramp here. If motorists would like to travel southbound, they will continue across the overpass, turn left onto the on-ramp, and then accelerate before merging onto I-15. The current merge point on the interchange ramp is here, right before I-15 crosses over US 91. The new ramp is approximately 3 times the length of the current ramp, so motorists won't have to merge onto I-15 until this point. These extended ramps will provide safer opportunities for entering and exiting I-15. Construction on the South Blackfoot Interchange is scheduled to begin in 2031. If funding becomes available, construction could begin as early as 2028. The second project I'd like to share about is the I-15 Exit 89 to Exit 93 widening project. ITD is developing plans to widen I-15 to 3 lanes in each direction from Exit 89 to Exit 93 between Fort Hall and Blackfoot. We are developing a design that will widen I-15 to the inside median with a median wall to separate opposing directions of traffic. We are holding public meetings on Tuesday, May 12th and Wednesday, May 13th. These meetings are your opportunity to learn more about design plans and have your questions answered by the project team. Keep watching to learn more about how to participate in these public meetings. Construction to widen I-15 between exits 89 and 93 is scheduled to be phased in between the construction of each of the interchanges, but could begin as early as 2028 if funding becomes available. Originally, this project was going to include the replacement of the Riverton Road Bridge that passes over I-15. After the bridge sustained major damage in November 2025, we decided to replace it ahead of schedule. Construction on the bridge begins this spring, so be sure to check out our construction update video to learn what to expect as this work continues. The third project I'd like to talk about is the I-15 US 26 Blackfoot Interchange at Exit 93. Currently, our project team is wrapping up the final design to prepare the project for contractor bidding. The new design for this interchange features longer ramps, allowing motorists more space when merging on and off of I-15. We've also added lanes to the southbound off-ramp to accommodate more traffic. As you can see here, construction on the US 26 Blackfoot Interchange is scheduled to begin in 2030, but could begin as early as next year if funding becomes available. Let me remind you about upcoming public meetings. In mid-May, ITD is holding public meetings to share the recommended design plans for the I-15 Exit 89 to Exit 93 widening project. We hope you are able to join us on Tuesday, May 12th at the Shoshone Convention Center in Fort Hall, or on Wednesday, May 13th at Ridgecrest Elementary School in Blackfoot to learn about this project and share what you think. We will also have information about the I-15 South Blackfoot Interchange, the Riverton Road Bridge, and the I-15 US 26 Blackfoot Interchange projects. If you can't make it to these meetings in person, join us online between May 12th and May 26th by visiting itd.idaho.gov/project/I-15 Blackfoot widening. I'd like to leave you with a brief safety message. Spring in Idaho can bring unpredictable driving conditions. Rain and melting snow create hazards like hidden potholes, soft shoulders, and mudslides. ITD urges drivers to slow down, increase following distance, And double check that your windshield wiper fluid is full before heading out to maintain the safety of everyone using our roadways. Check 511.idaho.gov to view real-time updates and plan your route in advance. Thank you again for joining us for the Spring 2026 I-15 Fort Hall to Blackfoot Design Projects update. If you would like to learn more about these projects and stay up to date on future developments, please use the contact information appearing on your screen to stay in touch. We'll see you this summer for our next update. Have a great day and drive safely.